Hey fellas, let's check what we have today here, and we have the impact driver that's brushless, it's almost working, and the customer told that it's just slipping. Okay, now it's not slipping, so we will check, maybe something is broken inside or something like that. And I know that it was slipping because I seen that the customer showed me, so yeah. Okay. Okay. Removing the battery. And why sometimes just getting our power, I don't know. Sometimes you just pop this housing up and everything is good, but sometimes you are just struggling to remove it. Okay, so first thing what we can see, we definitely have some dust here, of course. And okay, the bearing looks good, the gear it's not spinning on the armatures. So what can we here? We can go here for the housing. I will just clean a little bit. Okay. Now it seems that it's a little bit up all the way the housing itself. Okay, so let's try to check and find some parts. And can you spot the bad part here? I bet you can. It's out in gear here and it's broken, so that's not good. That's really not good. Okay, so we need the out in gear. These gears are good. Basically I think it's a manufacturing fault, and just like this. Okay, I need to get the replacement gear for this DTD153. Okay fellas, let's don't be lazy and find the replacement gear here. So it will be here, okay, like that. This one will be here, like that. Just checking if it's working good, if it's moving good. Now what I will do, I will put some grease here. And a little bit grease here. Okay, now I need to close it and need to get these pins to the gaps here, and then we'll be aligning the back end of the housing. Okay, nice, got it from the first try, probably. Okay, that's look good. The old gears goes to the recycle bin. What we have here, I will brush it a little bit. Okay, kind of the small cleaning here. Yeah, we can do it like that. So let's try it, insert the armature. Okay, the wires, the warranty sticker will go here. Okay, and now we are closing. Now, like a nice bug driver. It's good, it works. Press thumbs up and bye.